Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with all the curls out, and we are going to be talking about a curly hair brand that I have been testing out for a couple of months now, and I really want to give you guys more natural hair content. That's pretty much how I started my channel, was with beauty and hair, and I haven't done a hair video in such a long time, so I definitely will be putting out more content on my hair and just how I've been recovering my curls, how I've been helping with the heat damage and color damage and all of that good stuff. When it comes to my hair, I pretty much do everything by myself because I haven't had the best hairstylist experience, to be quite honest. So I do cut my own hair. I do my own treatments at home. So I want to share that with you guys and let you guys know just how I get these curls a little bit more manageable. My hair just doesn't do well with the winter, so I really have to give it a lot of love and attention to get these curls to look a little bit more presentable. Now we do have a little bit of frizz going on, but that's okay. We're embracing that too. But I am going to be showing you guys the products that have really stood out to me and worked amazingly on my hair type. Before we get into this video, thank you so much for joining me on another one. As always, please subscribe if you haven't already, and also hit the like button if you do enjoy this video, as it helps me a lot. And let's go ahead and get into it. So we are going to be talking about the line Briogeo, and I have been using this brand for a couple of months now. I want to say probably going on 3 months now, so I really do have a full opinion. I did try 3 different lines within the brand. They do have a couple of different products to select from in different categories, which is really cool because they cater to different curl patterns and hair types, actually not just curly hair. So this brand was created by a woman called Nancy Twin. I went on their website and read a little bit more about the brand and the founder, and I absolutely loved the story. So she actually used to help her grandma create hair products in her kitchen, which is so amazing. And then she went on to create her own line, which is Briogeo, which was founded in New York City. And she really wanted her brand to stand out and be more natural based, but still have amazing qualities that will work and perform on your hair, which is cool to me. Now, the name Briogeo, if you're like me, you're wondering what does this mean or where it came from. So I'm on the website and it says Brio is an Italian word which means vibrant and full of life, and Geo is a Latin word meaning of earth and nature, which represents the pure yet potent recipes of each formula. So that's really cool. I love what the name stands for. So let's go ahead and start off with the Curl Charisma line, which was the first line that I had tried out from the brand. So I have here the Rice Amino and Avocado Hydrating Shampoo. I also have the Leave-In Defining Cream and the Frizz Control Gel. This is the Rice Amino and Quinoa Frizz Control Gel. I love the ingredients in these products. First of all, let me just tell you that. So the shampoo, I really love the shampoo. I feel like it really gets into my hair and cleanses it really well. Now I do get that, you know, that squeaky clean kind of feel on your hair that sometimes people don't like. I do get it from this. I love the scent of this. It smells so good, and a tiny little bit of this definitely goes a long way. It lathers really well on your hair and just cleanses all the gunk off of your hair. It doesn't feel like my hair is dry afterwards, but it definitely has that squeaky clean feel. Now for the styling products, these 2 guys over here, so I have the Frizz Control Gel and then the Leave-In Defining Cream. The Leave-In Defining Cream is definitely my favorite. It helps my curls become a lot more defined and really like ringlets. I love this. It's super lightweight, so it doesn't weigh down my curls whatsoever. It still gives them a lot of bounce, which I love, a lot of movement. I hate when my hair is like stiff of products and it's kind of like weighed down, so the curls aren't super defined. This won't do it. It's a very light formula. A little of this definitely goes a long way, and that's me saying a lot because I have thick hair and I use a lot of styling products. But with this one, what I do is I section off my hair into 4 pieces, and then I disperse that product in each little piece using a smaller amount at a time. Again, it's a very lightweight formula, and it definitely helps my curls become a lot more defined. What I have in my hair right now is this little product over here. I do have a little bit of the gel also, and then a different type of gel that is not from this brand, but Really, really like this product. Now, as for the frizz control gel, I do like this gel because it is lightweight. It doesn't leave any residue on my hair or that kind of film when you do mix certain products together. These two go really, really nicely together. The only thing with this one on my hair right now, it doesn't control my frizz for a long period of time. Initially, the frizz will be gone, the hair will be popping, and it looks gorgeous. But I want to say over time, maybe like after 45 minutes, I still will get the frizz back, and it will almost like wear off that hold on the frizz. Now, it does help my hair become a little bit more defined, and it almost adds a little sheen to my curls, which I love. But unfortunately, it doesn't hold down the frizz for as long as I need it to. Right now, my hair is very dry, like very, very dry, and frizz is just there like all the time. So I really need something with a little bit extra strength. And because this is such a lightweight formula, it doesn't have enough hold on my frizz. But overall, I do like the formulation because, again, it doesn't leave that nasty residue on your hair. It pairs up nicely with other products like this one over here. I've even tried it with different brands and it pairs up nicely. Sometimes when you mix gel with cream with different brands, you will get that white film on your hair, which is just not cute, and you're going to have to wash everything off. This won't do it. It pairs up really nicely. And again, a very, very lightweight formula when it comes to a gel that will leave your hair with bounce. It will not crunch up your hair whatsoever. Let's talk about the Don't Despair Repair line, which is one of my favorites from the brand. I absolutely love this line. So I have the Super Moisture Shampoo, which is no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. And then I also have the Reprotective Leave-In Conditioning Spray, and my favorite, the Deep Conditioning Mask. This right here is my baby, okay? This bottle over here, I have completely used up. Like, oops, look at this. It is empty, 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 and I've already made another order. Before I actually ordered 2 of these because I just love this product so much, and I use this about twice a week if I really feel like my hair needs that extra hydration. I'm going to touch up on this first. So this mask is a nice thick mask that really penetrates your hair and allows your hair to absorb all those goodness in this mask. It really does hydrate my hair and leave it very smooth and silky. I feel a huge difference after using this one over here because my hair, you can see the shine, you can see the body, and you can see the definition in my curls right after I use this. It is so, so good. I really wish this came in a bigger tub because I tend to use quite a big amount of this per wash. So I go through it quite quickly, but I think it's so worth it because you will feel and you will see the difference in your curls. Like your curls will feel and look a lot more healthier than they did prior to using this product. So this is a mask that I will continue using, and I definitely recommend, not just for those who have super curly hair like myself, but even if you have straight hair, if you color your hair, if you put a lot of heat in your hair and you just need a boost, you need your hair to look a lot healthier, definitely recommend this product. I absolutely love it. And this product, again, no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. So now on to the Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo. This is my favorite shampoo out of the 2 over here. This one is definitely my favorite, and I love this humongous bottle that you get. This is gonna last you for such a long time. Don't get that squeaky feel as I do with this one over here. That's why I like it a little bit more. I do feel like my hair feels a lot softer and silkier after using it. It almost reminds me of like a co-wash where I don't get that shampoo-y feel on my hair. Now it does lather really, really well. In case you were wondering, it's not like a co-wash whatsoever. It's just the feeling that I get on my hair once I rinse it off. It feels like I applied a co-wash because my hair feels really nice and silky and smooth. So if you don't like that squeaky feel to your hair, or you feel like your hair has been stripped of the oils too much, I would definitely recommend this one over this guy over here. Now, as for the reparative leave-in conditioning spray, this also is no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens, which I love that they have taken out all of that gunk out of each product. It's super important to get those things out of products for curly hair, because our hair already has a hard time retaining moisture and getting that oil from your natural scalp all the way down to the tip of your hair. So if you're adding all of this that just dries out your hair, it's just going to be impossible to get those shiny, healthy curls. So really important to look for products that don't have the sulfate, the silicone, and the parabens. And I think it's important for any hair type, actually, because these ingredients are not good for your hair whatsoever. Now, talking about this product here, this one, I haven't used it too much, to be honest, just because I don't feel like I've seen a huge difference. This feels more like a spray that I would do after I've done everything to my hair, just to add a little bit more sheen or maybe a little bit more hydration. I will spray my hair with this, but I don't use it too often, because after I've done my styling creams, I've done my gel, I'm pretty much good to go. Unless I need an extra hold on my curls, I'll do a little bit of maybe like a hold spray or something like that. I do like a leave-in conditioner that's more traditional, where it's in a tub and I can just grab it and kind of disperse it all over the hair. And that's kind of like my reason why I don't use it that often, but it still is a great product. It's a great idea. It's really cool for on the go if you just need a little bit more of a boost. If your hair is feeling a little bit more on the dry side throughout the day, you can just spray it in and kind of scrunch it in there, and you will be good to go. So definitely check it out if you like more of like that spray type of product, but I definitely prefer one that I can get in my hands and really get into these curls, you know what I mean? Because I do a lot of finger combing on my hair. It really helps my curls become a little bit more defined than if I was to just do a little scrunching with my fingers or something like that. Well, I think the brand did an amazing job. I know that they have oils and more products than what I'm talking about here, and I definitely want to explore way more than I have right now. I'm super intrigued with the brand, and just the owner and everything about them just really appeals to me. So I hope this video was really helpful. I tried to YouTube like videos on the brand, and unfortunately I didn't find a lot of people with my hair type talking about the brand. They did talk a lot about the mask, but overall, like the different styling products and shampoos and things like that, I didn't find it. So I thought this video would be pretty helpful for any of you who have my hair type, or a little bit more kinkier or a little bit more looser, but more of like that natural curly hair, to hear the thoughts that I had on these products and how well they work on our hair. So definitely check them out if you were contemplating. I would recommend. That is it for my video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something new and cool today. Definitely leave your comments down below and let me know any other brands that you guys might want to know more on. Maybe there aren't enough videos or reviews out there, or you just want to know if it works out for my hair. If you guys have the same kind of curl pattern than I do, leave your comments down below. As I said, I want to do more natural hair videos, so your recommendations are amazing as it gives me ideas for content. So yeah, let's chat in the comments section. As always, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Ciao.